Best free budgeting apps for iPhone. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best free budgeting apps for iPhone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, those budgeting apps that I'm going to review is YNAB, Daily Budget, Mint, Every Dollar, Good Budget, which is all available on iPhone. So let's start by knowing this ynab.com, which is short for You Need a Budget. It is a personal finance service that emphasizes financial responsibility and diligence. Unlike other services, YNAB does not guess transaction categories, allowing users to assign every dollar to a specific purpose through a zero-balance budgeting. And this approach ensures that all income is allocated to spending, debt, or savings, leaving no money unassigned. So now let's proceed by knowing the budgeting philosophy of YNAB, in which give every dollar a job. Every dollar you earn should have a specific purpose within your budget, and you should also embrace true expenses, or anticipate larger, less frequent expenses by setting money aside each month. And you also need to roll with the punches, be flexible, and adjust your budget as needed throughout the month. Now moving on to its cost. As you can see in here, YNAB offers an annual plan which is amounting to $8.25 per month, or $99 paid annually. You will get $80 savings, while its monthly plan amounting to $14.99 per month. Now moving on to its feature comparison, YNAB offers a real-time syncing across devices, goal tracking and goal-specific savings, bank syncing and transaction categorization, reporting and visualization to track spending habits, debt payouts tracking and support, and also customer support and educational resources, and also mobile apps for iOS and Androids. And aside from that, you can see here that using the 4 rules offered by YNAB, which is give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and also age your money. And that's one of the financial advices or rules offered by YNAB. Now moving on to YNAB pros and cons. Starting to its pros, it focuses on giving every dollar a job, promoting proactive budgeting, and also real-time syncing across devices to ensure that your budget is always up to date. It also offers goal tracking and progress monitoring, provides robust educational resources and support, but also encourages users to build financial awareness and stability. While the cons of using YNAB is that it has a subscription-based service with a recurring cost, and it may have a steeper learning curve for new users. But the question is, who should choose YNAB? Well, if you're looking for a comprehensive budgeting tool that emphasizes proactive financial management, YNAB is an ideal for individuals and households who want to give every dollar a job, prioritize savings goals, and gain better control over their finances. And for its user ratings, YNAB is highly regarded by its user with consistently positive ratings across various platforms. Now moving on to other application, which is this Daily Budget. It is also an app designed to simplify budgeting by helping users to track their income and expenses on a daily basis. By simply entering their regular income and expenses, users can determine their daily amount reflecting their daily earnings. It also has budgeting philosophy, simplify budgeting, which focuses on setting a daily spending limit based on your income and financial goals. Now moving on to pricing plan offered by Daily Budget, as you can see in here, offers all features amounting to $9.99, more category icons, analysis graphs, all features, Dropbox sync, pin protection, CSV export, Apple Watch version, encryption, and you can get everything else amounting to $5.99. So these are basically their list of their in-app purchases, with its corresponding prices. Now moving on to the features offered by Daily Budget. Daily Budget offers simple daily spending limit setup, easy tracking of daily expenses, and also visual indicators to track progress towards daily budget. And as you can see in here, they also offer free features and paid features. And aside from that, Daily Budget offers no bank syncing or transaction categorization, which is available as a mobile app for iOS. But moving on to its pros and cons, starting to its pros, it offers simple and straightforward daily spending limit setup, and also easy tracking of daily expenses. It also provides visual indicators for monitoring progress toward daily budget goals, and it offers one-time purchase option on iOS. While the cons of using Daily Budget is that it lacks of bank syncing and automatic transaction categorization, with limited to daily budgeting, which may not suit all budgeting styles. But the question is, who should choose Daily Budget? Well, if you prepare a straightforward approach to budgeting that focuses on daily spending limits, Daily Budget is suitable for individuals who want a simple tool to track their daily expenses and stay within the present spending limit. And for its user rating, as you can see, it has 4.7 out of 5 ratings, which is a good rating for budgeting application. which users appreciate its straightforward approach to budgeting, though some may find its feature limited compared to other tools. Now moving on to other application, which is this Mint. And same as the other, Mint is also a personal finance management tool that offers comprehensive platform for managing income, spending, and credit scores, mostly for free. And the app categorizes transactions automatically, providing a clear breakdown of spending habits. And for Mint budgeting philosophy, it has track spending to monitor your spending habits by linking accounts and categorizing transactions automatically. Set goals to set financial goals and track progress towards them using visualization and alerts. And in terms of pricing plan, Mint is free to use with revenue generated through advertisement and referrals. So basically, this application is completely free. Now moving on to some of the features offered by Mint. Mint offers a bank syncing and automatic transaction categorization with budget creation and tracking, bill tracking and payment reminders, credit score monitoring and alerts, with its goal setting and progress tracking, and also investment tracking and portfolio analysis. Now moving on to Mint pros and cons. Its pros is that it offers automatic bank syncing and transaction categorization with comprehensive budget creation and tracking features, provides bill tracking and payment reminders. While the cons of using Mint is that it relies on advertisement and referrals, which can clutter the interface. And some users may have concern about privacy and security with bank syncing, limited customization options for budgeting categories. But the question is, who should choose Mint? Well, Mint is an ideal for individuals who want a hands-off approach to budgeting and appreciate the convenience of automatic bank syncing. If you value features such as credit score monitoring, investment tracking, and goal setting alongside with your budgeting efforts, Mint provides a holistic solution. Now in terms of user ratings, Mint received mixed ratings from users, with some praising its comprehensive features for budgeting, bill tracking, and financial management, while others expressed concerns about its reliability, securing, and intrusive advertisements. Now moving on to other application, which is this EveryDollar, which is also a personal budgeting app that allows users to create custom budgets, track expenses, plan spending, set financial goals, and manage their finances effectively. With its budgeting philosophy of zero-based budgeting, assign every dollar for income a specific purpose, ensuring that income minus expenses equals zero, and it also focuses on priorities. Now moving on to its pricing plan. As you can see in here, EveryDollar offer a free and premium plan, the premium plan amounting $17.99 per month or $79.99 per year after the free trial ends. And here are some of the benefits included on each plan, which for its feature offer by EveryDollar, it offers zero-based budgeting with income allocation, bank syncing, and transaction categorization. You can see you can create monthly budgets, manual track transaction, customize item and categories, and many more. While the pros and cons of using EveryDollar, at its pros is zero-based budgeting approach ensures every dollar is allocated and offers bank syncing and transaction categorization with goal tracking and progress monitoring features. While the cons of using EveryDollar is that it offers basic version lacks some features available in the paid version and may require manual adjustment for irregular expenses. But the question is, who should choose EveryDollar? Well, EveryDollar is suitable for individuals who want to take proactive stance on budgeting and prioritize goal tracking and progress monitoring. And moving on to user ratings, you can see in here that EveryDollar has garnered a range of ratings from users, with some appreciating its zero-based budgeting approach and intuitive interface, while others criticize its lack of features in the free version and occasional bugs. Now moving on to last application, which is this goodbudget.com, in which it is also a budgeting app that operates on the envelope system, allowing users to allocate their income into specific spending categories known as envelopes to manage their finances effectively. With a budgeting philosophy of envelope budgeting system with virtual envelopes, manual entry of transaction and allocations, syncing and sharing of budgets between household and members. But moving on to its pricing plan offered by GoodBudget. As you can see below here, they offer a pre-plan and also a premium plan amounting to $10 per month or $80 annually. And below here, it will show the corresponding benefits it included on each plan, with some of its features including automatic bank syncing, unlimited regular envelopes, unlimited more envelopes, unlimited accounts, 5 devices, 7 years of history, debt tracking, and email support. That is for premium plan. But moving on to pros and cons of using GoodBudget is that its pros including envelope budgeting system promotes mindful spending allocation while syncing and sharing budgets between household members. And it also offers manual entry per transaction, promoting active participation, while the cons is that it offers manual transaction entry may be time-consuming for some users, with limited automation compared to other tools. But the question is, who should choose GoodBudget? Well, GoodBudget is ideal for individuals and households who want to adopt a mindful spending strategy by dividing their income into virtual envelopes for different spending categories. Now moving on to user ratings of Good Budget. Good Budget also receives mixed reviews from users, with some praising its envelope budgeting system and manual transaction entry for promoting mindful spending habits, while others criticize its interface design and lack automation compared to other tools. So now in conclusion, when considering why NAB Daily Budget Mint every dollar and Good Budget, it's essential to prioritize individual financial needs and preferences. But ultimately, the best choice depends on one's budgeting style, desired features, and willingness to invest time and effort into financial management. So that is just all the best free budgeting apps for iPhone. Thank you.